Sectional view is the second statistic in the statistic type menu. The key role of this statistical analysis is to represent the brightness profile along a line. Sectional view is usually carried out with the help of a line measuring region. However, as this statistical type evaluation is performed along the control lines of a region, therefore, plane measuring regions like rectangle, circle, and polygon can also be used. Once a measuring region to be analyzed is marked, the option Gray Sectional View or Color Sectional View can be selected. This can be done through either the main menu, Evaluation, Statistic, or by right-clicking on the screen and making a selection in the resulting dialog. In this example, we will show you the working of sectional view analysis with the help of a simple luminance test image. As you can see, a graphical analysis result appears at the bottom, with the value of luminance on the y-axis and the length of the line on the x-axis. This graphic represents the brightness profile of the image along the line region. Moreover, the direction of the graphic depends on the direction in which the line region is drawn. Similarly, if we draw another line region in the opposite direction and carry out the same analysis, the resulting graphic will also be in the opposite direction. The software is also equipped with a number of options for the graphic results of sectional view. By right-clicking on the graphic box, you can go to Options, from where you can use any graphic option as per the requirement. Here, an interesting graphic option is point tracing. Point tracing, once activated, can give you the exact luminance value of any given point in the graphic. You can see these values on the right side of the graphic. This option can be applied to a single graphic or all the graphics in the plot. Here too, you can see that the cursor of point tracing moves in the same direction in which the region has been drawn. Another useful feature that appears by right-clicking on the graphical plot area is the visibility of tables and diagrams. By checking the option Table for the gray image sectional view in this dialog, you can activate the values of standard statistic along with the values of sectional view. This menu also allows you to enable the data option for sectional view. The data option gives numerical data for each point of the measuring region in the form of a table. You can also copy and paste the whole data table in the Microsoft Excel for further calculations. If you perform the same copy and paste with the graphical plot, a bitmap image of the graphical plot will be copied. The default properties of sectional view statistic can be edited through button Properties dialog at the bottom of the statistic type dialog. Statistics parameters is opened when certain calculation parameters are to be modified. Here, an important parameter smoothing can be applied to perform noise reduction, which may exist in the images. Smoothing increases the measured minimum, whereas the maximum and variance are reduced. This results in a smoother curve of resulting graphic. In this video, we will also give a brief description of the gray image projection statistic. Gray image projection is an advanced form of the sectional view statistic with a certain special features. When we go to the Properties dialog of gray image projection and see the statistic parameters, height and point spacing are two new features that appear along with smoothing. Smoothing works the same way in gray image projection as in the sectional view, that is to say, to perform noise reduction in the resulting graphic. Height is a certain area that is taken vertically along the line region for analysis. The height parameter can be increased or decreased according to the requirements. Similarly, the parameter point spacing represents the distance between the points of the graphic in pixels. So for instance, if we enter a value of 30 in the point spacing parameter, It will mean that each point of the graphic expresses every 30th pixel of the original region. You can have a more clear idea about point spacing by going to the main menu Graphic, Options, and selecting No Line for line type and Circle for the point type. The resulting graphic will show specific points with the distance as selected in the point spacing parameter. If we do a comparison between standard statistical values of sectional view and gray image projection, we will see that there is a significant difference in the results. Taking the previous example, we run sectional view statistic and gray image projection statistic on the same region of same luminance image. Here you can see that there are substantial differences between the resulting values of the two statistics. This is because the sectional view does only perform an averaging along the line, while the gray image projection performs additionally an averaging along the line as well as perpendicular to the pixels along the height. As explained earlier, this parameter of height can be modified according to the requirements through Properties dialog in the Statistic Types menu. For further information regarding the topic of sectional view and gray image projection, please refer to Chapter 12 in the manual.